Welcome everybody to another viewing of some work that I have done previously based on response to nature essentially. The first pieces that you'll see in this little video are based on an abstraction, and they are exploring the idea of deforestation, particularly here in New Zealand. The second painting is a smaller work that was just a quick study of living near the beach and the sea, and how that's a window of opportunity when you live in such places like the beach. Truly energizing when we live near the beach. So that's the one that you're viewing now, and almost like a postcard. I think actually that show was called Postcards to My Mother. The next painting was recognizing how the seascape sometimes reflects our emotional scape. And at this time, I think there were things going on for me that the seascape became a metaphor for a lot of turmoil in my life. And then you'll see a calmer view of the seascape again. Anyhow, it's a little look at some previous works. They're all acrylic on canvas. I hope that you're doing your own creative thing and enjoying watching these videos. Thank you.